People are making AI videos and getting millions of views. You can check millions of views are coming. You can also easily make AI cartoon videos in the same way, and they can be monetized too. No hard work is needed, just write the prompt, and in no time, your video will be ready. We will use a very amazing and incredible website. In just 5 minutes, you can make a video like this. No video editing or special skills are needed. You can create everything easily. First, watch this video that I have made.
Leo was a quiet boy who loved the sea more than anything. One morning, after a strong storm, he found a mermaid princess washed ashore, weakened and far from her underwater kingdom. Without a word, he carried her to a small boat and rowed toward the open ocean. Guided only by sunlight on the waves and the distant shimmer of coral reefs, Leo helped her return to the deep waters where she belonged. As she regained her strength, the princess slipped beneath the surface, leaving behind a gentle swirl of glowing water. When Leo reached the shore again, he found a single pearl in the boat, smooth, warm, and shimmering with ocean light. He understood it as a silent promise. The sea never forgets kindness. And from that day on, whenever waves touched his feet, Leo felt the quiet magic of the mermaid kingdom watching over him.
You watched the video. You can also make videos like this easily. If you are new, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT. And after that, write, I want to create cartoon stories. Give me 5 best ideas. Then, ChatGPT will give you 5 best story ideas. You can create unlimited stories if you want. And if you want to create stories exactly like mine, you can do that too. I will give the prompt in my YouTube description, and you can easily get it by copying and pasting it to create videos exactly like this. After the 5 best stories appear, then write, give me one best in this, 1,000 words. If you want, you can create a long story of 2,000 or even 3,000 words. It depends on you how long you want the story to be. Once the stories are generated, after that, I will go back again to Magic Light AI. Magic Light AI is a very powerful and creative platform for making AI cartoon videos and cinematic AI videos easily. It allows creators to turn simple ideas into high-quality animated stories with beautiful characters, smooth motion, and professional visuals. You can create emotional storytelling videos, kids' cartoons, fantasy scenes, and even short cinematic films in just a few steps. The platform is user-friendly and perfect for beginners as well as advanced creators. If you want to grow on YouTube or social media with AI animation, Magic Light AI is an excellent choice. Here you can see many options. You can choose any option you like. The first option is Story to Video, then Kids Story Video, Religious Story, Music Videos, etc. Since I want to create a story video, I click on Sedance 2.0. When I click on it, the next options appear like this: Smart Script and Basic Script. I will explain how to use it. I simply paste my script there. Next, if you want to create a landscape video instead of portrait, click on Landscape. Then select the language you want. I select English. In the Story Model section, you can choose ChatGPT 5, Qwen 3.5, or any model you like. I select ChatGPT. After that, there is a new option like 2.0, 3.0, Midjourney. I click on Midjourney and select 3D Cartoon, Pixar 3D Cartoon. I click on Pixar. If you click on Smart Script, you can paste your Smart Script there. Then you can choose video length, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes. I will choose Basic Script because I already have my story. Then I click Next. Now you can see the image. If you want to change the image, click Edit. There are many characters available. If you don't like a character, click Create. For example, I want to change the boy's skin color from black to white, so I write, please change the boy's skin color and make it white. After a short time, the color changes. You can change the image like this. After that, click Next. Now you can see the image has been fully created step by step. It looks very good and perfect. Now you can easily create AI videos. Before that, in this, you can use Nano 2. Nano to make small changes. You can change the picture as you like. For example, you can change the clothes color to anything, even red. If you click remove, a face may appear. For example, 2 boys. If you want only one boy, you can write side of the sea and only one boy in the ocean. Now you can see the image changes exactly as you want. After that, click next. There are more options, like pose. You can adjust the pose as you like. There are also many other options. Here, you can also see the voice option. Click on it, and you can select any voice you like. There are many voices available. After this, we will select the AI voice. Once the AI voice is selected, click on Animate to create the video. Here you can see many options. You can explore them and use them to make your AI image into an amazing video. Sedance 2.0, Kling 3.0, Hailuo AI, Magic Light. There are many other options. You can select them one by one and create AI videos. This way, your videos will be ready. You can see that the videos are already made and the background music is also fine. Now click Next. After that, you can add subtitles, and if you want, you can change the background music separately. Then click Next. Video ready. Here you can download the video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.
Princess washed ashore, weakened and far from her underwater kingdom, without a word. He carried her to a small boat and rowed toward the open ocean, guided only by sunlight on the waves and the distant shimmer of coral reefs.